Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing some more Teardown, and currently we'll be doing the next mission, continuing from the last episode. So let's go. Campaign. I have a few mods on, but a few of them are quality of life mods and other things like these. But I'm not going to use them, so I'm only going to be able to use 1 through 4. Alright, let's get into it. Need some tools. Fine arts. I should probably get some tools. I'll get them for me. This one seems easier. Where's it? Oh, it's at the marina. Okay, what's our goal here? Okay, there's 2 in there, 2, okay. 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and there. And there's 2, this one there as an optional, there's 1 here, it's an optional. So it's this one, right here. Well, can't I just like... Yeah. Shotgun? Okay, that's... I can't get that off. There should be another one up here. Up here somewhere. Doesn't really tell us where. I think it does. Ooh, valuable. Mine. Up here's the next one. Oh, wait. Dump the target off the table. Good. Now I'm getting this out. So then I can just kinda... Yup, like that. I like it. So I could just... I'm probably gonna start here. There's 1 down there, so I might actually... Wait a minute. Plank. I have 8 planks, so let's do this right. Oh. Could probably just run up here. Yup. Get out of my way. Okay, yup. That's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna run up here. Okay, so we're gonna start down here, run up there. Ooh, they're rebuilding this place. 1 here. Okay, like not. It's destructible. You know what that means. Cutting it out. Uh-oh. I think it expected me to do that. I have to restart now. Alright. I'll be back to you when we're back at that spot. Alright. Now we're back here. We can... I don't know. Let's see. I guess we could figure out a way. Wait, can we move this barge? No way of pushing it. Wait a minute. I have an idea. There's no ladder here, is there? Yep, there's one. Alright, my idea is simple. We get a... I'm gonna take this boat. Move. Okay, sink. can move this. You can. So since I can, we're gonna move it a little bit closer. Watch. Okay. Now I exit. Okay, before I do that, I'm gonna save. Okay, quick save. Now let's pick you up. Pick you up. Open you. Okay. Put you inside. Now time to take down this power line. Never needed you. Okay. Now I just gotta get a crane over here, which shouldn't be that difficult. Pick up the crate and just move it to over here somewhere. Oh, car. Mine. Alright. There's a crane. A little bit more of a heavy-duty one, maybe? Any of those around here? I'll take it. I think there might be one in here. Oh, none. Alright, now we're finally here. We can enact the plan. Quick save. Not stable. I'm pulling with all my might. Move out my way. My very precious cargo. See how precious it is? I'm very delicate with it. I might need the crane for something else, so we're just gonna leave here. This thing's so heavy. Okay. Thoughts are... You off, right? Oh, if you don't want to come off, I'll make it. There you go. That's all. I just kind of run up there, down here, grab this, then run over here, get this. Okay. Well, I can't really enact the plan, so can't enact it yet. Okay. Let's go over there. Let's get to the next part. Where is that? One here, one there, one there, one in there. That's it. And there's another there, so let's get to this one first. Nope, just so it's easier. Connections. One. And that should be enough. I just don't want to take any chances, so let's get the other one off. Okay, now let's get up here. Of course. That was no issue. Where is the tool? Ah. Up here, you say. Is this a... It's not indestructible. You know what that means. Ah. Can I break through brick with this? Not fully. 1 second. Blowtorch. 6 left. Yup. Well, shit. Let's not do that. And let's just start from there. Which is gonna make my life 10 times more difficult. But it'll make it not much easier. I'm contemplating using those, but I won't, because boom. Okay. Boom. Grab you. Run as fast as I can. Over to here. Go through here. Grab you. Okay. Because now I'm gonna have to find an efficient way to get to you first. I'm assuming I actually, I'll check that one. Okay, still have 17.2. Ready. Okay, let's check here. Tool should be right here. I have to get that one second, so we have to go here first, then run over there, get that one. Okay, throw that down. Run here. Then I have to get out. One second. There we go. Makes it easier. Go here. Get out. Park. Take a car over to there, which I'm just gonna open the gate to now. Okay. Then I'm gonna make a way to get out of the building to that side so I can get to the car that's gonna be right here. Yeah, I see us coming together. Okay. And the only way... Well, I'm gonna save first. Before I... Okay, we're gonna get it over to this side. I'm getting out of here. 360. 333. Oh. That did nothing. Okay. Am I inside of it? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. There we go. That was a better shot. That took out more of the building I need. Okay. Okay. Oh. What a situation. Okay. Well, door. Keep that open. And we're gonna run through here. Get to that car. Drive it into here. Get up the stairs. Jump around to here. Get that down over here. We'll try. We'll try that. There's definitely a better way to do this. Save. Okay, give me my sledge. Ready, set, go. Set, go. It does, but eleven, 10, I see my vote. Photo finish. I'm out. Let's go. Time left 6 seconds. Ooh, look at that. Look at that path though. Get in the car. Zoom it to there. Boom. Boom. Do all of that. Get out of there. Drive the car over there. Get out of it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that perfect time. I was like, yeah, I probably have enough time to get this. And boom. Then as a race against the clock ensues, I sprint as fast as I can. The vote. Right. Alright, that's pretty good. What's on news? Oh yeah, I did do that. Stop snitching on me, TV. Is this TV invincible? I think it is. Well, I guess that's it for today. And hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, if you want. Have a good rest of the day. Go out, hang out with people. Doesn't really matter. Just have fun. See you guys next time.